Hi, I'm Dylan Jones.
And I'm Bo.Lan. Join us as we travel to Thailand.
And we share our food secrets and how to cook Thai food. Right now we're going to do Thai rice noodles with pineapple and dried prawns.
หรือขนมจีนซาวน้ำค่ะ
It's actually a really lovely dish, quite simple but very refreshing.
So I start with the ขนมจีน of course.
Of course. Just going to prep some pineapple here for you.
So with ขนมจีน you can buy it in normal market, supermarket, basically everywhere. I'm gonna just add coconut cream. And with this coconut cream, just go to the wet market, ask them to press it fresh for you.
Well, the canned stuff, it's got that metallic quality about it and it's just not as nice.
So quite a fair bit of the coconut cream, which we're gonna make like the sauce of it. And then pineapple.
Just diced up, nice and simple. I'm just going to slice some bird's eye chili. I'm going to do about 4 chilies, but it's really up to you how many you'd like to do. I mean, if you like it spicy like Bo, then I'd probably add about 6. Yeah, if you're a bit tame like me, then 4 is probably ample.
Then on the top of the pineapple, I'm gonna add 1.5 spoon of fish sauce. And then maybe 1.5 spoon of sugar. Well, with this you can just add it later if you like sweeter, but this is just like the guideline.
Absolutely. I'm just going to slice up 4 cloves of Thai garlic. You want to use Thai garlic because it's much more fragrant and it's more intense than the larger Western counterpart or Chinese counterpart.
Then really finely julienne ginger, the younger the better.
Yeah, absolutely. Garlic and chilies are ready. I'm just going to chop up some coriander. So it's probably about 1/4 cup of coriander, and you just want to chiffonade it or finely slice it.
So basically, if you're gonna do this for others to eat and you're not quite sure how spicy they like it, just leave the chili aside and they can add it to the dish when they have it.
And then while Bo's putting on the dried prawn, I'm going to put in the lime wedges.
So the saltiness from this dish comes from 2 things: the fish sauce and the dry prawn.
Where would like this? So when you eat it, all you need to do is just squeeze the lime over the top and then mix it through thoroughly. That way you get all the flavors combined. But basically this is done and it's such an easy, lovely dish, and it's one of my favorite Khnom Jim dishes actually.